Hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey. Welcome back to day 3 of Content Gem, where I'm going to be uploading every single day until I reach my monetization requirements. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this stop motion edits with my pieces from one of my my all-time favorite fitness company and coach, Body by Shy, aka Body by Shizzy. But make sure before we get into this video, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Boo Boo Kitties. Leave a comment, leave a like, check out my past videos. And the first thing that I did to create this stop motion edit video with my favorite gem pieces, you can use my discount code Ryan10 to receive 10% off of your first purchase from anything that you purchase from bbsfitness.com, my sis in fitness. Yes, so what I did was I set up my chair, I placed the leggings down, the first pair of leggings, took a picture, placed another pair of leggings, took a picture, and just continued this step with all of the pieces of clothing that are in the Body by Shy collection. Again, bbsfitness.com to check out my girl's fitness brand. So I just took a picture with my hand on top of each added fabric, okay? So once you take all of these images, right? What I used to do, you guys, which was much longer, I would just press record, add leggings, put my hand, move my hand, add another pair of leggings, put my hand, move my hand, and I would just cut up the video that way. This is much easier if you just take pictures. It saves you time, and I think that it's easier for those of you who aren't really into the editing field and you find difficulty and you don't find editing fun, or enjoyable. So now what I'm doing to really create that stop motion effect, I'm going in and I'm going to just trim each clip to 0.3 seconds. I noticed that this stop motion effect really hits when you drag it to anywhere up until 0.3 seconds. Even if it's 0.2, 0.1, it doesn't matter. So this is pretty much how I create that effect. If you want to do something where you're recording your kitchen counter and you're about to make a protein shake, as you can see at the beginning of this video, literally all I did was just take a picture. Each time I just slowly moved my little mini blender inch by inch towards the camera with any objects that you want to create that movement, that stop movement. This is what you'll do. You just take a picture each time you move the image, remove your hand from the image. But in this case, I wanted my hand to be there so it can look like everything is just piling up. So that's pretty much what I did. So yeah, you guys, this tutorial, this effect is super easy. Again, like I said in my last video, many people complicate being able to create captivating imagery and visuals. I understand why you may assume that this may be something that is complicated and tedious, but it's super easy. And that's why I'm so happy to be back on YouTube, because I'm trying to teach my little kitties how to edit and flex and slay. All on the iPhone 8, you feel me? So this is something else that you can do, you guys. I want to show you. So this is the final effect. So at the beginning, you kind of seen that it went in regular time and then reverse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this video, download it, go back into CapCut, new project, and I'm going to import the video that we just edited, as you can see here. Now I'm going to tap on this entire clip as a whole after I delete this with the CapCut logo. I'm going to select this clip and I'm going to go to duplicate to create a copy, and then I'm going to scroll over to reverse so that I can reverse the second clip so that it can look like it's going forwards then backwards, as such. So as you can see, this is super easy, you guys, and make sure that you leave a like or comment down below if you plan on doing this. And I just want to put y'all on to the It Girl Planner, which I created for all of you Boo Boo Kitties on a budget, on the goal, where you are seeking to reach and manifest those monetization requirements with me. Make sure that you click that link in the description box where you can purchase that It Girl Planner with all of my energy on it. And I'm just giving you an early congratulations on reaching your goals for 2024.